Some may define it as sugar and promise, but it's hard just as slime. So, no, you know.